Hi, today we are going to talk about analytical balance. But first, let's meet our member.
Okay, now I will give you some introductions about weighing balance or analytical balance. Weighing is a required part of almost of any analysis, both preparing samples or the standard solutions. There are various ways to achieve this, but the most useful and versatile device used is the analytical balance. There are three types of analytical balance. First, we have the electronic balance, which is the most convenience balance that I use today. Second, we have the single pen mechanical balance, and lastly we have the micro balance. Okay, lastly we have two types of weighing, which is first we have rough weighing and accurate weighing. Rough weighing is a quick and easy way to get an estimate of an object weight when the exact measurement is not necessary. Must be generally be known as 2 or 3 significant figures. And lastly, accurate weighing. Accurate weighing is a meticulous process that ensures the precise and reliable measurements and must be generally known to 4 significant figures. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, now I will show you how to use analytical balance. First of all, press on button and wait for a while, and then press tare button. As you can see, our balance now is 0, so we can proceed with our container. Place our container on the analytical balance and then press tare button to zero the balance. Next, placing our sample into the container using spatula and wait until the measuring done. After measuring done, record the data, then you can remove the container out from the analytical balance and then press off the button and wait until the light off. Note this, don't forget to switch off the button and then unplug the switch. That's all.
Errors can happen when weighing. The sources of this error is including the 0-point drift and the wicks.
0-point drift. Sometimes, a phenomenon called drift is experienced in the weighing instrument, including high precision analytical balance. The 0 point of a balance is not a constant that can be determined or set and forgotten. We drift for a number of reasons, including temperature change, humidity, and static electricity. The 0 point should be checked at least once every half hour during the period of using the balance. It is because 0-point drift can impact the accuracy and reliability of measurements, which is drift can cause systematic errors in measurements leading to inaccurate results over time.
Next is the change of ambient temperature of the object to be weighed. Other than that, hot or cold objects need to be brought to ambient temperature before it is weighed. Lastly, hygroscopic samples such as sodium chloride and methanol may pick up some moisture during weighing. This can cause errors during the weighing. Next, I will tell you guys about the general rule for weighing. First, never handle object to be weighed using your fingers. You should use a piece of paper instead. Next, weight at room temperature. You need to avoid air convection current. Third, never place chemical directly on the pen. You need to use a weighing bottle or a weighing dish instead. Lastly, always close the balance door before making the weighing because air current can cause the analytical balance to be unsteady. That's all from us. Thank you.